What's up, guys? Well, I make a kayak dolly from scratch, whatever happened in my garage, and then I just buy only the tire from Harbor Freight. It's really cheap. It costs only for one tire wheel. It's only $7. So that's the wheel. See, I got the frame. I just weld it from some angle iron from my garage. So, and then I put some pool noodle, and then the base is just a 2 by 4 wood, and then on the top one I put some PVC pipe, so it look like more steady. See, it looks more better now. So let me try this one, and then I'll make another video on the kayak.